Look, Bin is very sweet, loving, and very thoughtful husband. Did you know that she surprised Ye Jin? And Ye Jin was teary-eyed upon knowing that Bin surprised her. Many people think that Bin is a kind of serious person because of her personality. Then, Ye Jin told reporters before that Bin is very sweet, loving, and very thoughtful. That's why many fans really appreciated Bin. This lovely couple developed their feelings during the crash landing on new filming of K-drama, and many fans really wanted them to become husband and wife. That's why when they already announced that they will be getting married, many fans were teary-eyed. The fantasy of the fans that someday they will see Bin and Ye Jin tie the knot became reality when finally they tied the knot on March 2022. Their family is already complete because they already had a baby boy nicknamed Little Sweet Bean. When the baby is born, Ye Jin became domesticated and dedicated in taking care of her family, especially the baby. Now, Ye Jin is very busy filming Can't Help It, marks Ye Jin's acting comeback since giving birth to her son. Surprisingly, his loving husband gave her a surprise. In this video, you can see Ye Jin had a bouquet of flowers, and she posted in her Instagram snap of herself showing a heart pose in front of a snack truck with a caption, "Thank you." It turns out that the snack truck was sent by his hubby Bin to cheer on Ye Jin as well as the cast and crew. That's why she sent here, "Thank you, my dear husband." And according to insiders and news reports in South Korea, the truck was sent by Bin and their son. Sadly, the name was covered by emojis and pics. That's why we cannot read the name of the baby. And according to the snack truck vendor who owns Cassette Bakery, this is the first time that private couple are publicly showing support for each other since they tied the knot in year 2022. Ye Jin also shares snaps of the feast cake, takoyaki snacks, and trucks on her Instagram account. The bakery owner noted that Ye Jin was very touched by the gesture and being thoughtful of his husband, and took many photos in front of the snack truck. According to insider, Ye Jin is very happy and teary-eyed because of the surprise of his husband and their son. And according to some insiders, this is the first time that Bin has sent a snack truck since they tied the knot. He made sure that there were plenty of treats and drinks for the cast and crew to enjoy since the weather is so cold, according to them. And of course, as a wife, she was really very flattered and at the same time thankful with Bin's gesture. And she said, "Thank you, dear." Oh, how sweet, right? And what's nice about this lovely couple, they remain so sweet, humble, and down-to-earth person. That's why many fans love them until now. Until next update, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye!